Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Hyundai Sonata backup camera. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a trim removal tool to safely pry off interior panels, along with a 10 mm socket wrench for fasteners. Make sure you have a new, compatible backup camera unit ready for installation. A clean workspace and protective gloves will also help ensure a smooth process. Next, you'll need to access the camera. Open your trunk and carefully begin removing the interior trim panels. Use your trim removal tool to gently pry out the plastic clips and unscrew any visible fasteners. Work slowly to avoid damaging the trim. Once the panels are off, you should be able to locate the backup camera assembly, typically integrated into the trunk lid or near the license plate area. With the camera assembly exposed, it's time for the swap. Carefully disconnect the electrical harness from the old camera unit. There's usually a small tab to press before pulling. Then, use your 10 mm socket wrench to remove any nuts or bolts holding the camera in place, or gently unclip it if it's a snap-in design. Install your new camera, ensuring it's securely fastened and the electrical connector is firmly reattached. Before putting everything back together, turn on your vehicle and shift into reverse to test the new camera. Confirm that the image is clear and functioning correctly. Once satisfied, carefully reinstall all the trunk trim panels, ensuring all clips and screws are securely in place. Remember to check the description below for a link to those darn tough socks and other great deals. This completes your backup camera replacement, giving you a clear view once again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.